Henrico woman calls 12 on your side frustrated with her bank.
Lorette Turner says she spent weeks trying to get hundreds of dollars back after someone got into her bank account. On your side, investigator Jasmine Turner shares advice from a cybersecurity expert to make sure this does not happen to you.
Lorette Turner banks with Green Dot, a digital banking platform, and she tells me losing hundreds of dollars for several weeks because of a hacker made it hard to help raise 3 of her grandchildren. Turner says getting help from the company was also full of roadblocks.
I am devastated that my account was hacked and I cannot get a provisional credit so I can take care of my immediate needs.
Lorette Turner is reading from a letter she wrote to her bank.
I've been having a Walmart money card for many, many years. I usually get paid 5 days before my Social Security comes in.
The card is issued through Green Dot Bank. August 7th, Turner went to use an ATM and couldn't get her money.
And I saw where someone had done an electronic funds transfer.
She was missing $500. Turner immediately contacted Green Dot.
I was told, well, we can give you a provisional credit, but you're going to have to write a letter, and we'll give you a provisional credit within 10 days.
So Turner sent a letter and canceled her card.
This is the second time this has happened to me. The first time was Mother's Day 2018. They hadn't received the letter. I sent another one, and I did it on certified to make sure they got it.
She says the bank told her it didn't get the second certified letter, and when Turner finally reached someone at corporate.
I was told I would get a credit on August the 20th. Yeah, but the first time I was told I would get it within 10 business days.
For this mother and grandmother, the weight impacts her household.
I'm helping my son raise 2 grandchildren that lost their mom, and I'm also helping my daughter raise her daughter. And that's my retirement money. That's all I get for myself every month. That's all I get. And the children going back to school, they need stuff. $500 I could do a lot with.
What should have been 10 business days ended up being 30 days before a paper check came in the mail.
They just took the money out with my credentials without, well, I guess without my credentials. I don't know how in the world they did it.
Most recently, they're coming in through mobile devices.
Cybersecurity expert AJ Mujadidi says hackers are finding many ways to compromise accounts.
They're actually coming in through apps. So one way they come in to get your banking information is they'll put in you go to the app store to download, let's say, an app that looks just like your bank app, but it's really not. It's a fake app that asks for your credentials, and now the hacker has it.
He says, of course, you must contact your bank and freeze your credit report after a hack, but also go to identitytheft.gov to file a claim with the FTC.
That tells them that your identity may have been compromised. You want to make sure you turn on 2-factor authentication.
That's an extra layer of protection. So instead of just using your password to immediately get into your account, there's one more piece of information you'll need. Some companies will text or email you a special code, and you'll have to enter that in order to access your account. Turner says she filed a claim with the Federal Reserve Bank, but hopes her story could prevent another person's stress.
Hopefully, I can help someone else or advocate for someone else that is being scammed.
Again, you heard it. Turner says this is the second time her Green Dot card was hacked and money was stolen. She says this time it took weeks longer to get her money back. When we reached out to Green Dot Bank about the issues and what happened to Turner, the company told us the issue was resolved and the customer should have received a refund. On your side, Jasmine Turner, NBC 12.